Are you ready, Greenville? For Rock Fest 3, October the 17th at 9 p.m. The Hyperion Grill welcomes Promise the World, Bent to Break, Scent of Remains. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21, ID required. You're not going to want to miss this one.
This is Justin Hageman.
Brandon Bain of Belfast Six-Pack.
And you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Here's Cage by Presence.
Darkness falls and it bleeds like rain. The thunder pounds my heart and stirs the pain. The light in your eyes, it's no longer there for me. Open this cage and set me free.
October the 16th at 9 p.m., the Casbah, 807 West Walnut Street, Johnson City, Tennessee, presents Dysfunction, Damage Done, and Triumph Under Fire. Admission is $10. This is an 18-plus show.
Hey, this is Josh from A Fleeting Farewell. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Here's Ghost of My Past, Outlaw Tendencies.
Free
Ghost of my past are calling me. They want me back, they won't let me be. Ghost of my past are haunting me. Ghost of my past are calling me. Ghost of my past are haunting me. They want me back, they won't let me be. But I resist.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
There's Fool's Brew.
They burnt you. Could be like me, it's when you're out of sanity and live life unchained. Live life unchained.
Come look into my eyes and see the inmates. Lift up, let out your cries. It's time to liberate. And now my friends arise. It's our turn to dictate. Tear off that drowned disguise. Join the ranks of the lunatic allies. Awakening, a reckoning. You're beckoning the exiled offspring. Toss the king, the powering. We're conquering. Awakening, outcast insane. The deafening screams and refrain. A strengthening flows through our veins. It's mutiny. Break the hand that feeds you. Spit the bit that keeps you contained. Feed the fire that burns you. Let it stare you unrestrained. Bite the hand that feeds you. Spit the bit that keeps you contained. Feed the fire that burns you. Don't be like me and switch your side of sanity and live life unchained. Breathe in the haze of night, let go of all despair. 'Cause it's the warden's turn for the electric chair. We're taking back the street, the military beware. Let our banners rise by the flag of the lunatic allies. Awakening, a reckoning, the beckoning, the exiled offspring. Toss the king, the powering, we're conquering. Awakening, outcast insane. The deafening screams and refrain. A strengthening flows through our veins. It's mutiny. Bite the hand that feeds you. Spit the bit that keeps you contained. Feed the fire that burns you. Let it stare you unrestrained. Bite the hand that feeds you. Spit the bit that keeps you contained. Feed the fire that burns you. Don't be like me and switch your side of sanity and live life unchained.
We're meant to break, and you're listening to